Hey everybody, check it out. I got my Vitrazza floor mat. I'm so excited to finally get this thing unboxed and installed. You can see here my old junky plastic mat I've had for a few years, already cracking, already sharding out little pieces of hard plastic. It's terrible, and I've been wanting to replace this thing, so I looked on the internets and I found this Vitrazzo, one of the highest quality mats I found. Complete glass. It's made in the United States. It has a lifetime warranty. Nobody has a lifetime warranty these days. Well, they back up their product, so you know it's good. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. All right, a couple things I want to mention before we continue this. First off, on the outside of your box, there will be a QR code, like right there in the picture. You want to scan that, and that will give you instructions on how to properly set this mat up. You will need a couple things. You're going to need some gloves. You want a microfiber cloth, and you also want a box cutter to open the box itself. And the setup instructions are very, very simple. The other thing I want to mention is once I found this mat and decided I wanted to pull the trigger on it, I reached out to them and explained that I was a content creator and asked if they had any review opportunities. And so they sent me this to do a review video. So I am super excited to be working with them, and I cannot wait to check this mat out. The other thing I want to mention is I'm a big man. I am 6'2", 250 pounds, and so I need something sturdy, strong, and large because I have a stand-up desk, and so I like to stand up half of the day, maybe sit down half the day, and I need to roll around my desk. I have a bigger desk, and so I need to get around to it. So this particular mat in this video that we are reviewing is a 46 by 60 mat. All right, let's get to it. All right, once you get that first flap untaped or cut with your razor blade and you lift it up, you're going to see a care package right there. You want to go ahead and pull that out and open it. Once you get that open, the little care package here, it's going to have a bunch of instructions. It's going to show you the three different sizes of dots that they sent with it. One is for small or hard surfaces, one is for medium carpet, and one is for supersized carpet. So you just have to determine which one you need by where you're putting this particular mat. And then also inside is another QR code. So if the QR code on the outside of your box is missing or damaged, there's one right here inside this care package, and you can watch that video. And the last thing that the care package has is inside of it is instructions on where to put the little stable dot bumper systems. You can see it's got the square or the rectangle mat or the circular mat, and it shows you where you can apply those to make it nice and easy. All right, and once you get that first layer peeled back, there is your actual mat. Look how beautiful it is, such high quality, and look at this. It's got some sturdy shipping to protect it, which I appreciate because obviously this is a giant piece of glass and it's heavy. And so I honestly felt bad when the gentleman delivered it to my house because he was the only one carrying it. I'm like, oh man, you should have came and got me. I would have helped you. But hey, luckily it wasn't damaged. Props to them. And look how beautiful this thing is. I can't wait to see it, get it finished, and see it actually in position. Let's get to that. All right, check it out. I got the stabilizer dots on it. That was a piece of cake. And then I got it cleaned down. And look at the dogs checking it out. They freaking love it. I freaking love it. Look at this. It is beautiful. And so I'm a big man. I am 6'2", 250 pounds, so I needed something sturdy. And look at this. I can walk in this. It feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's fragile at all. It's going to hold my weight. I can move up and down, slide my chair on it. No issues. I love this. And look at this. You can actually see the indentions from my previous mat I had. Look, I hate how it marked up the carpet. That's another thing this mat is not going to do, right? It's completely flat other than the little stabilizers, which aren't going to leave any kind of mark really at all. And so I just love so much about this mat. Just look how professional and better that looks than my previous mat did. I mean, it just makes the room so much better looking, and I absolutely love it. Here, look at the old mat. Now look at this new one. Wow, what a difference. All right, you can visit their website directly. The link will be in this video description. Right here's what their website looks like. And you can see they have a great website. They have multiple different sizes you can order here. And you can also get a custom size if you have a unique situation. Look in the video description for my affiliate link. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have yourself a great day.